What's going on, YouTube? I'm gonna do an unboxing on this golden pack, Major League Pyro. I didn't see any videos on it. I just took the plastic off right there. But I'll start off with the small stuff. Got a box of this Cobra Black Snakes. Want to hold them? I have my helpers now. Got, shit, these fell out. 4 boxes of these number 10 gold sparklers, 8 pieces in each box. These ones fell out. Let me put the stuff up here, dude. So we got 4 boxes of sparklers, a box of snakes. Got a pack of these crackling balls.
There's no one.
No, these are crackling balls.
No.
I got this large golden flower fountain.
Golden flower fountain.
Green bamboo. This is a hybrid. Everybody knows what those do.
Bees.
Yellow bees, yeah. I got Happy New Year 7-shot. You excited?
Yeah. Rock.
I got 25-shot Saturn missiles. He calls these the Americas.
Americas.
And it's got the
Rockets.
100-shot Saturn missile as well.
And rockets and more rockets.
And it's got
A big
a
rocket.
225-shot Saturn missile. So that's pretty cool.
I think
Comes with Moon Traveler bottle rocket with report. Comes with the gross of them, so 144 rockets.
and then some
This is one of the reasons I bought the assortment, because you barely ever see these in assortments. 16-shot Happy. This is the bigger tube ones. Desert at Night 7-shot. I don't know if this one starts off as a fountain.
I think you
Okay.
do these in the dark.
Yeah, you do those at night.
Yeah.
Got a blue star with the report, 7 shots. I got
I'm gonna go and I'm come back.
1-inch bombs. They're little ball shells. They feel like real ball shells. That's pretty cool. A 6-pack of the 1-inch bombs. I got 12, so 3 4-packs of the 10-ball Roman candles. Then it's got premium artillery shells, a 6-pack. Crackling artillery shells, the 6-pack. Let's see if these are real. I'm gonna put the phone down real quick. Yeah, these feel like real ball shells. They're not soft. It's pretty good. It's not bad. I got the case, whole case of these, so 4 of the assortments for $300. It's a decent price. I'd say it's worth it just because of the big Saturn missile, the rockets, and these mini shells.
I think it's
Well, that's the golden pack assortment.